Today, I'm showing you how to see drafts on Instagram on your Android device. Let's get started. How to save a draft. Step 1. Open Instagram app on your Android phone and go to the home screen. Step 2. Create new post. Tap the plus sign at the top left of the screen to create a new post. Step 3. Select photo or video. Choose a photo or video from your gallery or take a new one using the camera. Step 4. Tap Next. Tap Next to go to the editing screen where you can add filters. Step 5. Add details, optional. Tap Next again. You can add a caption, tag people, or add location if you want. Step 6. Save as draft. Instead of posting, tap the back arrow or X in the top left corner to save as draft. Step 7. Confirm save. A pop-up appears asking what you want to do. Tap Save Draft. Your post is now saved. How to access your drafts. Step 1. Open New Post screen. Tap the plus sign at the top left of the screen as if you're creating a new post. Step 2. Find Drafts tab. At the top of the gallery screen, you'll see tabs like Recent, Stories, and Drafts. Tap on Drafts. Step 10. View all drafts. All your saved drafts appear here. You can see thumbnails of each draft post you've saved. Step 11. Edit or post draft. Tap on any draft to open it. And that's it. You can now easily save and access drafts on Instagram on your Android device.